Welcome. My name is Diresh Naidu from Truth for Success. And today I'm going to share some insights with you on the topic of focus. What is focus? Why do we need to focus? How should we focus? And for those of us that are already focusing, how can you improve your techniques on focusing? So let's start with what is focusing. In my opinion, focusing is the ability of holding a picture in your mind for a period of time. Now, we need to have a very clear picture of what we want to focus on. Why a picture? Our mind thinks in pictures. When I think of my car, I immediately get the picture of my car pop up in my mind. When I think of my family, my wife, my kids, pictures of them just pop up in my mind. So we think in pictures. So if we hold a clear picture of what we want for a period of time, we're going to have to focus on it. Now, why do we need a clear picture? We think many thoughts during the day. We have many pictures in our mind. So our attention is being diluted across multiple thoughts or multiple images that pop up in our mind. If we don't hold a picture of what we want in our mind for a period of time, the probability of that image or of what you want to manifest or appear in your reality is going to be very slim. So the next question is, how do we focus? What do we have readily available to us that we can use to focus? I'm going to tell you. There's 5 modalities that we can employ immediately. The first one is the ability to visualize. And I'm talking about the ability to see pictures. So you can draw a picture of what you want. You can have a picture of what you want in your mind and the ability to hold this picture for a period of time. Some of us are more receptive to seeing things and getting attached to it. The second technique that you can use is the ability to hear, and this is using your auditory senses. So we can attend lectures, we can attend seminars, or we can watch a documentary, and we have the ability of listening, understanding, and accepting. So if you are attached to something and you listen to a podcast, for example, that's going to give you the ability to focus on what you want. The third technique is feeling. This is when we get emotionally attached to what we want. This is quite a strong technique, where we have our emotions attached to what we want. And that gives us the ability to focus on what we want for a period of time. The fourth technique is tactile. This is the ability for us to write clearly what we want. And writing down things causes us to repeat. It's the act of repetition. And this creates the ability for us to focus because we're writing it down and it's going straight into our mind. The fifth technique is spiritual. And I'm not talking about religion. I'm talking about the ability for you to step back and look objectively at what is happening in your life. So this is where you're sitting back and you're seeing your life play in front of you. You are getting attached to what's happening. You're using your spiritual ability. So these are the 5 techniques that you can use that are readily available to you right now. Now, which ones resonate with you? That's the answer to my next question is, how do you improve your ability to focus? Some of us, we align to writing. Writing makes us imagine what we want better. Some of us are visual. So the technique of visualization or seeing pictures or drawing is something that we can do very easily and it resonates with us. So over a period of time, as you practice these 5 modalities or 5 techniques, you will learn for yourself that some stand out above others. And those are the ones that you would want to use to give you the best results with regards to you focusing on what you want. This information is incredible. It's working for me. And I look forward to hearing your feedback.